Welcome to the Daily Blizzard, and today we have a bunch of firsts. The first ever snowboard contest in Kashmir in India, and the first attempt this guy ever tried to copy Scott's. Actually, there's only two, and yeah, keep watching. So Outsider magazine spattered on a while ago about snowboarding is dead. Well, aren't you? Because the first ever snowboard contest happened in India. And it's so awesome to see that this thing is still happening and growing. I mean, the competitors from Australia, from the UK, man, just check out this edit. So everybody spazzed out when they seen the full part from Videographs on Scott Stevens of him doing a load of one-footers off everything, and then people started to copy, and this kid did and absolutely nailed himself. Ugh. So Team Finland were in Breck and we had Ropi, Tonteri and Petu. Here's a little edit to show us what they've been up to. So thank you for watching the Daily Blizzard, and that was Petu Peronin. I said it wrong because I could never get a Finnish name right. Follow us on Facebook. See you all tomorrow.